Hey guys, good morning guys. This video beautiful guys, box animals box unboxing guys, beautiful guys, 13 pieces animals guys, really beautiful animals collections guys. This video unboxing animals, so let's get start this video. So guys, open the box. Wow, beautiful guys, animals. So guys, first figure. Oh wow guys, horse is really beautiful guys, horse, very nice figure, horse. Wow guys, wow, it's really beautiful guys, color combination, sheep, beautiful guys, two sheeps look is amazing, beautiful guys, sheep, and the next guys figure. Wow guys, two donkeys, beautiful guys, look is amazing, really beautiful guys, two donkeys. Wow, and the next guys, oh wow, bondrees, little size and big size, bondree, little size. Wow. Oh wow guys, black horse, very nice music guys, black horse. And next guys, dog. Wow, it's really beautiful guys, dog. And next guys, oh wow guys, cow, two cow guys, big size and little size, beautiful guys, color combination, black white. Wow, wow. And next guys, oh white duck, look is beautiful guys, white red combination, very nice duck. And next guys, oh tortoise, very nice guys, tortoise, look is amazing, tortoise. And next guys, wow, cock, very nice figure guys, cock. And chicken, wow, look is amazing, beautiful guys, chicken. Wow guys, bondree, animals, bondree and the cook. Wow, beautiful guys, animals color combination.